Today we're setting up a purple martin house in front of Smith's Gardentown out on the Seymour Highway. This is a perfect place for a purple martin house because martins want to be in an area where they're far away from trees or houses. They need at least 40 feet in every direction from around the house so they can fly in, and they can also hunt for insects. Martins are swallows. They're the largest swallow in North America, and they spend the breeding season in the spring and summer here in North America, and then in the wintertime they migrate back down to South America. Martins are the only birds that we know of that really require some human help to nest. They like to nest in hollow trees in big colonies, and since there just aren't a lot of hollow trees close together in this area, the only way they will nest here is if you put up a martin house for them. And then if you're successful and you have a good spot, in a few years you will probably have lots and lots of martins nesting in your neighborhood. Martins are great because they are insectivores. That means they eat insects, and they eat them all while they're flying around during the daytime, so they're really fun to watch. Contrary to popular opinion, they don't eat a lot of mosquitoes because the mosquitoes are flying at night and the martins are flying in the daytime. So they'll eat some mosquitoes, but they're mainly eating other flying insects. This martin house and other ones that we have are great additions to a yard, and they're a great gift for someone who has a little bit of time and wants to learn a little bit more about the birds. So if grandpa or someone you know who's retired wants to put up a purple martin house, this would be a great gift for them. You want to put them up now in the wintertime because the first scouts will come to our area in about February, and they'll pick out the places to nest. Once they've found your house, they'll come back year after year after year to the same spot. The really good martin houses come with a martin decoy that you can put up on top to let the martins know it's a good place to come, and with a book about how to care for your martin house and how to attract the martins. So come on in and see us at Wild Birds Unlimited inside Smith's Gardentown and pick up a martin house so you'll have some martins in your yard next year.